I don't know. Ah, oh, wow, 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 wow. Look at that. Holy Jesus. Oh, no, no, no. I don't know what happened there. But oh, this thing got bent, dropped down. Fucking hell. Uh-oh, this is serious. Look at this. Wow, that got bent. And my bucket is now out of commission. And God, who knows how long it's going to take me to, I don't know of a bucket repair shop in my area. Morning everybody, I'm back on the mountain and it's a beautiful, beautiful morning. It's actually a work day, but I took a leave day for a couple of reasons. One, I was thinking I might have to go pick up some parts for the excavator, and the town where the Komatsu dealer is about 90 minutes away. So I woke up early thinking I had to go do that. Turns out I don't. They're going to ship it to me. Those parts will arrive tomorrow. So my goal today is strip the bucket off of the excavator. And I've never done this before. I don't know if I even have the tools to do it. I don't know that there's specialized tools. I suspect there might be, which will put me in a bit of a situation. But anyway, I've got my coffee up here. I just lugged up my 50-pound bag of tools, and I've got my dog. So we are going to enjoy the morning sunshine and just try to, strip off a bucket and all of its adjoining parts and see where that gets us. Okay, so the most expensive part is this thing. I think it's all part of the link assembly, but this particular part right here, this H-shaped part, which I don't know if you can see it there very well, but it's twisted out of shape. That's $900 for that piece of metal. And then these two arms, which are called links, just right hand and left hand links, those are both $350 each. And then everything else is pretty much a bushing or a grease fitting or a nipple or a pin. And there's about probably 30 different parts on here. But the big ones are right here, the two links and the link assembly. Haven't gotten the price on the cylinder yet. I don't know if it has to be replaced. I know it's twisted down there, but I don't know that it has to be replaced yet until I get it all taken apart. Okay. Good one, good one. No pressure there. Pin off. Okay. Now the pressure is off of this joint right here. So we're going to take off this pin out of here, and that'll loosen this, and that will loosen this. Then the next one is this pin. So I'm in a situation where, first of all, I don't know what I'm doing. Second of all, that there's still hydraulic pressure through the lines, and I just think it's risky to continue without releasing that pressure. So I'm going to spend a few minutes looking online. I've done it before, so I roughly know the process, but I'm going to check online and make sure I do it right, and then I'm going to release the pressure on the hydraulics, and then hopefully things will be a little bit safer, less worrisome anyway. Because it's been sitting, it's only been running for less than 5 minutes, the oil won't be under that much pressure, so I should be able to safely and slowly though, release the pressure on the hydraulic tank. Okay, this gets, we've got two actions to take. One, unscrew or loosen this bolt right here, which loosens the protective cover on the hydraulic tank cap. Move the cap, move the guard over, and then slowly release the pressure on the hydraulic cap itself. There. Just in case. No pressure at all. Oh, just a little whiff of pressure. Okay, there. Pressure is released on the hydraulic tank. Okay, we've got the key components off. They'll actually be delivered tomorrow. I got an email from the Komatsu this morning, and so they'll be delivered tomorrow, which is Saturday. I will have half a day tomorrow and all day Sunday to try and put it back together. So I'm looking forward to that. Here's the damaged one. And here's the new one. These are heavy as hell, so I'm going to have to make a couple of trips up to the mountain to get these up there first, and then the tools, and then the cameras. So bear with me, please. started the Yumbo. I'm going to let it warm up for a while. The first thing I'm going to do is swing it over this way, so I'm working on relatively flat land and not over on the cliff that I was working on to take the bucket apart yesterday. Okay, ouch. Let's just try a dry run here. Boom. Well, folks, the big news for me is, I was able to disassemble and reassemble a fairly banged up part of a piece of expensive machinery with no experience. So the lesson for you is, if I can do it, you can do it. I feel pretty happy. It was expensive. This was an expensive mistake, about $2,500 in parts, just the parts that you see here. So But on a machine this big and expensive, you know, that's a small price to pay for functionality. I didn't expect this, so it's a little bit of a hit to my monthly budget. But two things: it's done, it's fixed. My Yumbo, as soon as I get it greased, is back working on the mountain. And two, I learned a lot in this fairly simple process. I was terrified as soon as I noticed it, and I was able to fix it myself. So yeah, lesson learned, small price paid. Very, very happy to have my excavator back in working order. So thanks for hanging around. We'll be back, you know, chugging along on the mountain in a video very, very soon. Take care. This hasn't been tightened. There we go. Okay, no pressure left in the tank. I wonder if that's enough to get this moving a little bit. No, it doesn't work. It doesn't do shit.